Hey everyone, I'm Nate Tennis from DirtFish, and we want to talk to you a little bit about racing in the snow. Very first step is going to be patience. We want to wait for all of the inputs that we ask from the car to take effect. So if we get into it and get excited about things, of course we're racing, it's quite easy to throw in a lot of wheel, throw in a lot of input, but we really need to calm things down and be very, very patient. The other thing is, especially when we're racing, we get excited to be back on the throttle, back on the brakes, any other input that we have at our disposal. We want to be very patient because a tire can only do so many things. If we get excited halfway through a corner and start mashing on the gas pedal, mashing on the brakes, or cranking on that steering wheel, we're going to completely overwhelm that tire. So what we want to do is be very, very patient, and by that I mean set the car into a corner and just wait. Let the slide develop and be patient until you find the exit of the corner. When the car is positioned the way you want to, that's when you start to apply the gas pedal, not before then. Second major tip here is to be smooth, unbelievably smooth. The reason we have a lot of successful Scandinavian rally drivers is because they start out on the snow. Snow exaggerates all of your inputs and penalizes you for being aggressive. You need to be very, very smooth because you have the least amount of grip of any surface. Third and final tip is good vision. Now this is an obvious one in any form of motorsports, however, it's especially true in the snow, mainly because you can't see very well. There's white on the ground, there's white on the snowbanks, there might even be white coming down in the sky. It makes it really hard to discern where the corner starts, where the corner ends, and even where you are in the middle of the corner. Add to the fact that the car is most likely going to be sliding, we really need to keep our eyes up, looking where we want to go. That helps us guide the car in the correct direction, as well as find out where our next corner entry and/or exit is. So be smooth, keep the eyes up, and be patient. Those are the three main tips for racing in the snow.